Meet Maya. She's staring at her homework, and one problem has her totally stumped. 3 more than twice a number. She knows it means something, but how do you turn those words into math? That's exactly what we're going to learn today. By the end of this video, Maya and you will be able to crack any word problem and write a numerical expression like a pro. Let's go. Before we help Maya, let's lock in one key idea. A numerical expression is like a math phrase. It uses numbers and operation symbols, like plus, minus, times, and divide. But it does not have an equal sign. That's what makes it an expression and not an equation. Think of it as translating a sentence from English into the language of math. Cool, right? And yes, expressions can use parentheses to group things together.
Here's your secret weapon, a cheat sheet of clue words. Certain words in a problem tell you which operation to use. Hear the words sum or more than? That's addition. Fewer or less than? Subtraction. Product or groups of? Multiplication. Split equally or per? Division. Maya actually wrote these in her notebook so she could spot them fast. Let's do the same. Pause the video and jot these down.
Okay, so how do we actually do this? Maya came up with a 4-step system that totally works. First, read the whole problem. Don't rush. Second, circle those clue words we just learned. Third, identify the numbers you're working with. Fourth, build your expression using those numbers and the operations the clue words tell you. It sounds simple because it is simple once you know the clues. Let's try it together. Let's start with an easy one, just like Maya did. The problem says, the sum of 8 and 5. Step 1, read it. Step 2, clue word, sum. That means addition. Step 3, the numbers are 8 and 5. Step 4, write the expression, 8 plus 5. That's it. No tricks, no catches. The sum of 8 and 5 becomes 8 plus 5. Maya got this one in about 3 seconds. Now you try the next one. Next problem, 7 less than 12. Now here's where kids sometimes get tripped up, and Maya definitely did it first. Less than flips the order. 7 less than 12 means we start with 12 and subtract 7. So the expression is 12 minus 7, not 7 minus 12. Read carefully. The number after less than comes first in your expression, 12 minus 7. Once Maya learned this flip rule, she never got it wrong again. Maya's next problem, the product of 6 and 4. Clue word, product. That's multiplication. Numbers are 6 and 4. Expression, 6 times 4. Super clean. But here's a bonus. What if it said 4 groups of 9? Same idea. Groups of means multiply. So 4 groups of 9 is 4 times 9, which equals 36. Notice how different clue words can mean the same operation. That's why learning all the clue words on our cheat sheet really pays off. Division time. Problem, 45 split equally into 9 groups. Clue phrase, split equally into. That's division. Numbers, 45 and 9. Expression, 45 divided by 9. And just for fun, what does that equal? 45 divided by 9 equals 5. So each group gets 5. Here's another version you might see. 63 shared among 7 friends. Shared among, also division. That's 63 divided by 7, which equals 9. Watch those clue words and division is a piece of cake. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Parentheses. When a word problem says 3 times the sum of 4 and 2, you need parentheses to group the addition first. Without them, you'd get the wrong answer. 3 times the sum of 4 and 2 means you add 4 and 2 first, then multiply by 3. So the expression is 3 times, open parentheses, 4 plus 2, close parentheses. Maya called these math hugs. They hug the part you do first. Let's try Maya's toughest problem yet. 5 more than the product of 3 and 7. 2 operations here. Don't panic. First, find the product of 3 and 7. Product means multiply, so that's 3 times 7, which equals 21. Then 5 more than that product. More than means add, and it comes after. So we write 3 times 7, then plus 5. The full expression is 3 times 7 plus 5. We don't need parentheses here because multiplication already happens before addition. Maya high-fived her notebook on this one. Final challenge, Maya's hardest one. Twice the sum of 10 and 3. 2 operations, and this time we need parentheses. First, the sum of 10 and 3. That's 10 plus 3, and it needs to happen first. We put it in parentheses. Open parentheses, 10 plus 3, close parentheses. Then twice means multiply by 2. So the full expression is 2 times, open parentheses, 10 plus 3, close parentheses. Let's check. 10 plus 3 is 13, and 2 times 13 is 26. Maya nailed it, and now so did you. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the trickiest traps Maya ran into. Number 1, less than and more than flip the order. The number after those words goes first in your expression. Number 2, words like twice or double mean multiply by 2. Don't forget that. Number 3, whenever you see the sum of or the product of followed by more operations, you probably need parentheses. And always reread your expression to make sure it matches the words. One reread saves so many mistakes. Remember when Maya was staring at that homework problem, totally lost? Look at her now. She's writing expressions from any word problem in seconds. And you did the same thing today. You learned the clue words for all 4 operations, the flip rule for less than, when to use parentheses, and the 4-step system for any word problem. That's a serious math superpower. Parents and teachers, try making up your own word problems for extra practice. Keep going. You've totally